Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again we are back in the kitchen, and today we're doing an unboxing. And I'm pretty sure one of the things that you guys picked up in the last couple of videos is what happened to his glasses. Decided to go ahead and go back to wearing contacts. In the process of going back to wearing contacts, I decided to go back to wearing glasses. So sunglasses instead of regular glasses and wearing contacts. So one of the things that I recently had to acquire for myself was a decent set of sunglasses, because I didn't realize that my Oakleys that have been sitting in the glove box for the last 4 years, the actual polarizing film and the tinting film had started to peel off of them. And it happened to about 2 or 3 pairs of Oakleys I had. Metal pair, which had rubber gaskets on everything, the rubber actually started breaking down. So I said, you know what, I need another pair of sunglasses, something nice, but I don't think I'm going to invest as heavily as I used to. Well, as I'm doing this search for glasses, there's a lightning deal on Amazon, and what comes up? But these guys right here, which is what I'm going to be doing an unboxing for. These are a pair of Polarized UV 400 Dubery sunglasses, or Dubery sunglasses. I apologize there. They are cool. You'll see it, in my opinion. And I couldn't beat the price. I mean, they're normally like $19.99 or $16.99, and I got them for $12. So I said, why not? It's worth investment, something basic. And if I don't stick with the contact thing and I go back to wearing regular glasses, I don't have to worry about this. These fall apart and have a $200 investment go to crap. So I figured, what the hell? Let's try these guys out. So let's go ahead and we'll get to unboxing, take a look at them, see what we think of the build, and go from there. As always, guys, before we do, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any ideas for other videos, if you have any questions, anything at all, please feel free to reach out to me. You can reach out to me on Facebook, Mdevlspawn01. I'm sorry, that's Jesse L. Falto on Facebook, Mdevlspawn01 on Instagram, and Mdevlspawn@gmail.com. As always, appreciate you guys watching. Let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so let's go ahead here, take a look. I did go ahead and do a little research on these guys. They reviewed real well on on Amazon, and some other sites that apparently appear on Wish.com too, which might be a cheaper way to get them, just longer shipping. Their website was kind of cool. Their about was kind of cool. Just, you know, some mix of different people who are into sports. They want to do something quality that didn't cost you an arm and a leg. So we go ahead and take a look here. I've got here Dubery on the front. It's got a little logo, a little surfer guy, which always wins big with me. On the other side here, we've got the manufacturer's label. We've got the model number X001URM4BL, Dubery polarized sunglasses, men or women's sky blue, which we'll see in about a moment, recycling content. Then the different types of sports that you can get out and do with these things. Everything from hiking to camping to tennis to shooting to skiing to fishing to biking to golfing to parasailing to driving. I mean, they're sports glasses. So Dubery logo here on the side. Opposite side's got the exact same thing that has on that side. Same on the bottom side, and the same on the side right here. So pretty much all around very simple packaging, which that kind of is always a win for me. I kind of feel like simpler sometimes is better than busy. So let's go ahead and open up. Box doesn't feel too bad. Kind of thin, but it's no thinner than, say, a pair of Oakleys, a pair of Fox Racings, or a pair of any of those other ones. But there's some cool stuff when you open this right away. One of the things that kind of sold me big on this was that it is not just your standard, I'm going to kick this off to one side, just your standard glasses in a pouch. This thing actually came with the tool, which the tool for a pair of Oakleys you don't ever get. You actually have to buy their cleaning kit, which could be a little costly if you don't want to have a cleaning kit, but altogether tool that you need for tightening the screws. You got the hex nut on both sides. You got a screwdriver and a flat screwdriver usually on either end. I'm going to put that off to the side. And then it also comes with a hard case. I think it's pretty cool here. I'm already digging the hard case. As you can see, it's got this little piece of brushed aluminum on it with the manufacturer's name all the way across. It wraps around. Very nice touch, very classy kind of look to it. It's got the little carbon there, so you can go ahead and carry it on your hip. Let's go ahead and unzip it, take a look and see what comes inside. So I will warn you now, I'm very partial to the color blue. So this is going to be pretty bright blue, hopefully, if it's anything like it. So let's see what's in here before we get down to the glasses. So as you see, it does come with a cloth sock, just like any pair of Oakleys that you were out to go out and buy, or any pair of Fox Racing, or any decent quality pair of sunglasses. It actually feels pretty solid to my hand. I want to throw that out there. You got a cleaning cloth, which is really, really nice to have it come with that in the hard case. And it is, let's take a look, got it upside down here. Let's open it this way, boom, boom, boom. And it is, you know, manufacturer branded cleaning cloth. That always comes in handy. It's always good to have when you need to get your glasses cleaned. This is cool. It comes with one of those little polarization cards. I don't know if you've ever seen these, so you can test if it's polarized or not. I love the English on here. Test wear glasses to see the beautiful pattern. Yeah, so I didn't say it was an American company. I just said it was a good company. It's got the manufacturer's information right there. We're going to slide this over to the side. Let's get to the poly bag, and let's go ahead and pull them out of the bag. The bag is just like the cleaning poly bag. Feels just like the one off my Oakleys where they broke down. And like I said, they are blue, very bright blue. They're not even out of the bag, and you can see how blue these bad boys are. Let's go ahead here and open this bag up and take a good look at what they look like without the bag, and boom, there you go. So I was going for the mirrored blue finish. Blue is my favorite color. I wear a lot of blue. Anybody that knows me can tell you that, from my sneakers to my t-shirts to pretty much everything else. My favorite color. So when it came down to picking these polarized reflective lenses, I went with the blue. I like that it's not so reflective, it's so dense that you can't see through. You can kind of see through across the board. I thought the leg was just going to be like some cheap blue, but it's actually, no, it's like a see-through transparent plastic. I dig that it's got the little metal Dubery legs. I really like it. It's a very solid hinge across side to side. I'm really digging these guys. I'll definitely do a review on them so I can get an idea of how good they are compared to, you know, especially my past experience with other more high-end lenses. Let's take a minute here. Let's test out this. So there it is, right? We'll try to get a good view of it. There we go. Let's try to see if we can see it through the camera. No, it's too dark. Well, wait. Let me if I get the light just right. Nah. It's funny. I could see it, but I don't know if the camera's capturing it. But when you see it through it, the fisherman and all the black items are still there, but then it adds an additional fish, which I think is kind of cool with the polarized lens. I don't think you could see it very well with the camera, unfortunately. But there they are, man. It's an unboxing of the Dubery polarized sunglasses. I'm definitely looking forward to using this. We got whatever Labor Day, Memorial Day weekend that we're in right now. I'm going to be using these out on the water, so I will definitely do a follow-up video on these to tell you guys what I really think of them. But so far they feel like a solid piece of glasses. The hinges work real smoothly. I mean, I bought prescription glasses that the hinge wasn't this smooth on, so I'm definitely looking forward to using these bad boys. That's it, guys. That's the whole unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great night, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.